watching the kangaroo get golden? Oh yeah.
Vulture. It's just kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Oh yeah, perfect. All right.
Hold it on.
Look, there goes the front top now. Triplets.
Yeah.
Between trees around.
They'll come back.
Nothing more to put in there.
There's another setup over there too.
Oh yeah, across the way there.
There you go. Going all the way around again. All done?
My uncle also loves it.
Oh yeah, because you pick up.
Oh my goodness, that's a strong way.
These are the ones that go down further. Can't get up top into it. Down.
Pretty bird, pretty bird.
The cockatiels, huh?
very visible out here. The second one's kind of tucked back further to the left. The okapi is a rather elusive animal, so I'm really surprised that we see two of them over there. They actually weren't discovered until 1901, and up until that point, the Europeans actually thought that the okapi was just a mythological creature. The stripes that you see on their legs help them blend into the environment. It does look a bit like broken light coming through the dense canopy of the trees. They also look a lot like zebras because of those stripes. The other animal with the lighter gray fur that you saw over there was a greater kudu. The male kudu had very long, spiraling horns on their head, but the females cannot have any horns, so we could tell the one we saw was female because she did not have any horns. Well, friends, we have now left the little itinerary. Oh, and friends, I do need everyone to stay seated for me, please. It's very important that we stay seated. We are going over a bridge that's over the crocodile waters, so highly recommended. Now, of course, the crocodiles that you can see most clearly are out there on the riverbank keeping themselves warm. They are cold-blooded, like most reptiles. They're also the largest species of crocodilian on the Africans. The sunlight to better nourish the grass and creates room for new trees to grow. We can see the giraffes have been using their long necks to reach for the leaves at the tops of these trees, which helps keep the undersides of them pruned. And the grass is kept pretty well maintained by the animals that graze out here, like the various antelope species and the wildebeest. Of course, we are going to be getting a lot closer to the animals that I saw way out in the distance there. It looked like a few giraffes. Maybe a herd of wildebeest back there. And of course, there is this giraffe that's relatively close to us out on our right-hand side. There's a hyena out here. It's walking along in the shade in front of the den. Hyenas are best known for that sort of laughing noise that they make. Even though they look a lot like dogs, they are not related to canines. Hyenas belong in a genus all their own, which is Hyenidae. It's true that they are scavengers, but they will hunt for themselves when they need to. If hunting alone, a hyena might go after smaller prey like birds, lizards, and snakes, but when they're hunting as a clan, they have been known to go after animals a bit larger in size. And we can see an interesting feature of the savanna here. On either side of the truck, there are a few termite mounds. Termites use dirt, saliva, and excrement to build those spire-like structures, and they harden the huts of the savanna. The mounds are porous, so as wind blows across them, air can seep through, creating inverted sun, so the termites don't get too hot. Like I said, speaking of giraffes, we can now see that giraffe over here on our right-hand side. Now, while that is an excellent view, I have a feeling that we will be seeing even more giraffes as we continue to move forward. It might be the fact that I can see some more giraffes out there to our left, but actually a pretty good group of giraffes here on our right. When you see a group of giraffes, it is called a tower. No two of them look exactly alike. Each giraffe has a unique spot pattern, much like each of us has a unique fingerprint. You may have also noticed there were a few baby giraffes out there in the trees. A giraffe's tongue is about as long as the average person's arm is, from the base of the shoulder all the way out to the fingertip.
Nothing in here.
Oh, and there are a few more Maasai giraffes there on our right as well. And I do have to say that even though the Anglo cattle have very large horns, that's kind of inescapable to see them. Their horns are not as heavy as they look. They're mostly hollow on the inside with a honeycomb structure holding them together. They can circulate their blood through their horns, and that helps to keep them cool during the heat of the day. And just down here on our left-hand side, we're going to see a giraffe up really close to us.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Giraffe. Oh my goodness.
Still over here to our left, we can see that there are quite a few flamingos. A group of them is called a flamingo. brine shrimp, which are rich in beta-carotene. A group of rhinos is called a crash. I'm sure you can imagine why. Those are white rhinos. They're not actually white in color. Their name comes from a mistranslation of the Afrikaans word "weit," meaning wide. That's in reference to the size and shape of their mouth, which is rather wide and square. White rhinos do not have the best eyesight in the world. In fact, they can't see something that is perfectly still that's out about 100 feet from them. 4 feet off of the ground at once, so they are quite agile for a creature their size.
Oh, Lord.
They can only really maintain that speed for about 20 seconds. When they've worn themselves out, it takes them 20 minutes of resting for their breathing and body temperature to return to normal. They are obviously very well camouflaged. That helps them to sneak through the tall grass and get really close to their prey before they... It's really easy to tell that those are female ostriches because they have gray feathers. Male ostriches have dark black right now, and that is not too rare a sight. Lions rest about 16 to 20 hours every single day. They live in social groups that are called prides. A pride of lions usually consists of one male and several females. The females are the hunters of the pride, and light on their feet, they're able to reach a top speed of about 30 miles per hour. They're also burrowing animals, which means they dig holes to live in. They'll sleep with their tusks facing the outside of their burrow so they can best defend themselves from predators. And this little guy, they have several different colors in their fur coat. That white up around their face and down near their hooves, lighter brown fur on their back, and toward their very backside, there's that dark, almost purple colored fur.
We're sitting down with an ostrich.
Over here on the right, we can see a few ostrich eggs, more than likely laid by these 3 female ostriches. Ostriches lay their eggs in communal nests that can hold.
We know that's for better. So we want to place my heart on me. Feelings of our soul. Carry our shoes. And now I see. When you got shadow me. Leaving behind. So promise. If they do, here is everyone. Now everyone, stay with us. Ha! Ha! Stay with us. Ha! Everyone, all together. Ha! Oh, that was not everyone. Everyone, all together. Even louder. Now this side. This side. Now that side. I said now that guy.
That's you, Banshee. I don't hear any. You hear any banshees over here?